Hi, good day. It's George from forumreviews.org. I hope you're having an excellent day. Today I'm at a website called ProfitLance.com, and it's an ebook written by Michael Andrews. And the Profit Lance ebook covers the basics of affiliate marketing, how to create information products, making money, of course, from content-based websites, search engine optimization basics and strategies. They also talk about traffic generation techniques and does offer also a full copywriting course. It also has a unique online goal and task manager that lets you plan all your activities, which is kind of cool. And it has lots of videos and other teaching resources available. But it does seem that the main focus is to make money using AdSense, and in my experience, this is not the real way to make money online. But if you'd like to find out some more information about Profit Lance or any other programs or products, I highly recommend you visit forumreviews.org. And I wish you the best and have a great day, and bye for now.